In just 5 easy steps, you can make your own wedding veil without breaking the bank. Here we are on the last step of the process, step number 5, where we are using invisible thread, nylon thread, to sew the tulle on to the comb. The best part is that you do not need a sewing machine in order to make this veil. So basically, while completing this step, you will hold the comb so that the prongs or the teeth of the comb are facing away from you, and so that the comb curves up. Think of it curving up in the way that a bowl would naturally curve up if you were to place that bowl on a table. You hand stitch your veil to the tulle wrapped underside of the comb. Continue all the way across, stitching up and down, sewing one prong at a time, and keep the gathering of your veil evenly spaced as you sew all the way across. Make sure to grab the rest of the pattern tutorial in the description below. Have fun!